pinnacle of his educational journey was achieved on July 14, 2023, when our speaker earned his doctorate in management at Misamis University, Ozamis City. This remarkable accomplishment demonstrates his unwavering commitment to academic excellence and signifies his expertise in the field. Presently, our speaker serves as a college instructor at Misamis University College of Business and Management, where he imparts his knowledge and passion for marketing and other related business professional subjects to the next generation of business leaders. His role extends beyond teaching, as he was appointed as the chairman of the Marketing Management Program in June 2021, a testament to his leadership and dedication in shaping the future of his students. A shining example of his dedication to mentorship is evident in involvement in mentoring students in entrepreneurial management. He guides and inspires them to create systematic business plans that are not only feasible but also have a significant social impact in the community. Our speaker's mentorship led to notable achievements such as coaching his students to a first-place victory in the National Business Plan Competition held on March 24, 2023, a testament to his ability to nurture talent and cultivate success. Moreover, on September 21, 2023, our speaker continued his successful mentorship journey by guiding two of his students to become grand winners in the National Business Plan Competition in the technology category hosted by the Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry. This accomplishment highlights his dedication to fostering innovation and excellence in the field of business. In addition to his impressive academic and mentorship achievements, our speaker continually invests in his professional growth and improvement. He actively participates in various training programs related to marketing, digitalization, and research-based community development, further emphasizing his commitment to staying at the forefront of his field. Notably, on April 19, 2024, he was awarded Best Research Oral Presenter at the 4th International Research Summit held in Metro Center Hotel, Tagbilaran City, Bohol, Philippines. This prestigious recognition highlights his outstanding contribution to the research community, showcasing his dedication, expertise, and excellence in his field. Our speaker's unwavering dedication to education, mentorship, and professional growth has established him as a distinguished leader in business education, recognized for excellence and contributions to the field both nationally and internationally. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my honor to introduce to you an award-winning coach and esteemed educator, renowned for his remarkable achievement in mentoring students to national victories in business plan competition. He exemplifies dedication to fostering innovation and excellence. He continues to inspire and shape the future of business leaders. Let's give a warm welcome to our guest speaker, our one-of-a-kind mentor, Dr. Ranzetelo Alf Carpio. A big round of applause.
I guess it is one of the prestigious events I tried to join, and definitely it is a privilege and honor to represent our college, or it could be our chosen program. My respect to our college dean, Dr. Efren J. Barillo, to the program head of the BSBE program, Dr. Hilda L. Ilosorio. Of course, my dynamic colleagues or faculty of the program who are here today, our distinguished guests, our graduating class of 2024, good day to all of you. Give yourself a hand. You deserve it. Standing before you today fills me with profound honor and gratitude as I witness the culmination of your hard work and determination leading to the well-deserved day of your graduation. Reflecting back, I could still recall these fresh faces on MS Teams during our OC1 class, where what happened was I could still recall the tension in there because they always give me a signature that if you're going to enter the OC1 class, prepare because you might be the leader of the prayer. You might also be the synthesizer or even a reviewer. Yes, because of that, even though our institution gave you with this advantage that you could have your loads, whatever it is, just to stay connected, people always say, Sir, chapi ka. This might be one of the common things that I've heard from you. Because when you entered MU, it was indeed an online class. And most of us are definitely working hand in hand. But then, I tried to see a silver lining in that situation where everybody else contributed insights or learnings during our sessions. Despite the challenges and unstable internet connection you have, you still persevere. And because of that, I am deeply proud that you have accomplished this far. Right? But, in a short note, I stand here today not just an educator, but just like you, as a proud alumnus of this esteemed institution, shaped by the same pillars in front of excellence and now define your journey. My growth and success are a testament to the dedicated instructors who served as a catalyst for change, imparting invaluable skills and knowledge that have guided my career. It is both right and just that we extend our heartfelt gratitude to these mentors, and we owe them a debt of thanks as we embark on our own path to make a difference in the world. Thus, they deserve our round of applause. Like many of you, I dreamed of success, guided by the belief that success is endless, but its approach is strategic. I am not conceptualizing this in our core subject, but definitely I am emphasizing on this as a significant formula for us to reflect at the end of the period. My journey was marked by resilience, determination, and unwavering faith, which totally transformed my humble beginnings into a source of inspiration. Grounded in values of faith, hard work, and perseverance instilled by my family, I learned on the importance of resilience in dealing with life's challenges. The different activities granted by my professors before led me to become a good and influential person today. Having OBEs, research, advertisements, defenses, these were the significant activities where I stood still and tried to simply grasp the perspective and learn out from it. As I share these reflections, I invite you to consider your paths towards success, which is a path that is directional and exciting. As I have come to understand, success is not only simply a destination, but a series of deliberate steps taken with certainty toward realizing our aspirations despite difficulties. Just as we master the reality of international business and trade, we are the captains of our destiny, guided by a steadfast compass and the belief that life is what we make it. This quote emphasizes the power within each of us to shape our future, weighing our options carefully and deciding with clarity and purpose. Yes, it is definite that we have so many life options, and these options are either worth taking or not. But what matters most is that when we decide, we should have an equal lens by weighing both the pros and cons of our actions. In my personal journey as I approached college, I made a deliberate choice whether to take scholarship grants from state universities that are far from our residence, or it could be continue to stay in this place where universities are both private and chance of maintaining the academic scholarship is difficult to sustain. That's why I didn't integrate excellence as one of my point of reflections during the time. Why? Because excellence will always be a habit. This decision was very tough at my end since I am the youngest of our siblings and I need to help my parents to alleviate our financial burden, particularly the expensive tuition fees in higher educational institution. This decision was driven by my determination to lessen on the economic strain of my family. However, amidst these financial challenges, my parents held steadfast to their beliefs in the importance of strong family bonds. In this vein, I gave up taking the scholarship grants from state universities, hoping to be an academic scholar. Since they do not want that I will be situated in different place just to enroll with my chosen program, which is far from them, knowing the fact that that degree is the same among other institutions. Their decision did not stipulate that they did not trust me nor my siblings, but rather they prioritized our unity and security, ensuring that we are going to face the difficulties together, regardless of the hardships it may be. Despite coming from a less fortunate family, my parents made a significant decision to enroll me in Misamis University, one of the esteemed and renowned institutions in our city, which I didn't try to regret, because this institution helped me to achieve my dreams. This act emphasizes their unwavering commitment to providing me with the best possible education and opportunities despite our financial constraints. Their sacrifices and beliefs in family solidarity have profoundly shaped my values and resilience, laying the foundation for my journey toward academic and personal success. During those times, I chose to be a proud working scholar in this university. To alleviate my tuition fees despite the struggles of balancing my academic responsibilities and my duties as a working scholar in this university, alongside with my siblings who were also college students at that time. Choosing to become a working student was driven by necessity and a strong desire to pursue education without being a financial burden on my family. Balancing academic responsibilities with the duties of a working scholar was a significant challenge, requiring careful time management and dedication to handle courseworks, assignments, or even exams. These obligations or the challenge was totally compounded by the fact that my siblings were also in college. I was first year college, my sister was third year college, and my sister was also fifth year college in both private universities. But we're proud to say that we are working scholars. This fact helped us with the possibility that our household was considered as a hub of academic activity where we supported and encouraged each other. In this demanding situation, my steadfast companions were simple yet powerful. Pen, paper, books, and prayers. These tools represented the essence of learning and expression with the means to take down notes, complete assignments, and access necessary textbooks, often borrowing from library or sharing with classmates. Prayers provided spiritual strength and resilience, giving me hope and courage to persevere. And the journey of a working student is not just about managing tasks. It is about crafting a path with determination and purpose. Every moment spent juggling work and studies was an investment in my future, teaching me the valuable life skills such as time management, grit, discipline, and resilience, and preparing me for professional challenges. As a working student in this university, I often heard the phrase, the very phrase that I've always heard from our regular students. We don't need to worry if we could not clean up our mess since there are working students. Right? Gamay na gali kag bili sa imong kaugalingon kay working ka. No? And others as well try to simply humiliate you in that perspective. But since I didn't use that one to define my role, but rather it became a metaphor in my life. I embraced every challenge not as a burden, but as an opportunity to learn and grow. Balancing my studies with part-time jobs has demonstrated my dedication to achieving my future aspirations. I sustained my tuition fees by what? By providing proofreading services to my classmates and working tirelessly on weekends to earn an ample amount of money and save it for school fees and other related projects. My determination and perseverance paid off when I earned a place as a faculty lister, where I earned 40% discount for my tuition fees and became the president of JBE organization. I took this opportunity not just for myself, but to serve the greater good of my fellow students. It was also another opportunity for me because through this activity, I was able to save a single amount of penny for different organizational contributions. This resilience led to my baccalaureate degree, which opened doors for a teaching career in our sister school, Misamis University Oroqueta campus, before transferring to Uzamis in the year 2019. Hindi pa tayo patapos, pasimula pa lang. During this time, it was considered a tough time in my life since I need to juggle with my academic career while also performing my responsibilities as a son, as a sibling, and as a breadwinner of the family. My struggles never stopped there because I need to have multiple sources of income to sustain the needs of our family. During these times, my life took a dramatic and unexpected turn when my father suffered with severe lumbar pain due to lifting heavy objects that were beyond his work or body mass index, which is the usual scenario for a construction worker. With that, everything changed in an instant, and I found myself facing new challenges and responsibilities that I never anticipated. The impact of that on our family was profound and forced us to strategize and adapt to this overwhelming situation. Despite the challenges, I chose to pursue my master's degree to further enhance my skills and advance my knowledge, aiming to provide effective and quality instructions to our students. The journey was intense and demanding, but I remained committed to my goal. However, as I approached the final stage of my master's program, preparing for my thesis defense, I faced a heartbreaking setback. Tragically, my father passed away at this critical moment, casting a shadow over what should have been a culmination of my academic efforts. This loss was profound, occurring precisely when I was on the verge of completing a significant milestone in my education. The following year brought another personal tragedy with the passing of my mother. This occurred just 2 semesters before I was to complete my doctoral requirements, adding to the profound sense of loss I had already experienced. Despite this overwhelming grief, my sisters and I remained steadfast, drawing strength from our faith and unwavering dedication. We supported each other through these difficult times, determined to honor our parents' memory by persevering in our academic and personal endeavors. This resilience was a testament to the values they instilled within us, motivating us to continue striving toward our goals despite emotional challenges we face. Despite these heart-wrenching setbacks, I chose to persevere, driven by my dedication to provide quality education to my students and honor the values instilled by my parents and, of course, with the College of Business and Management family. This journey taught me that even in the darkest moments, our faith, our dedication, and the support of our loved ones can guide us through and empower us to achieve our dreams. Remember, It is through overcoming adversity that we truly grow and find the strength to create meaningful impact in our lives and the lives of others. I am sharing this to you not to give a lens of my life, but a point of reflection. That life may be very difficult after you earned your baccalaureate degree. On the other note, your achievement today is remarkable that it needs to be celebrated as another chapter of your life is closed and a new prevailing journey is unlocked. Your hard work, dedication, and unwavering commitment proved that you have not only completed a rigorous academic journey, but you have also grown into individuals ready to take on the world, equipped with knowledge, skills, and passion for excellence. I could also attest that your parents, your guardians, and your loved ones are totally who will gonna celebrate the sacrifices they've made, the support and the unconditional love they have shown for this awesome and at the same time achievement. This moment would not have been possible without their constant encouragement and belief in your potential. And because of that, it is right and just that we are going to simply thank them. Let us applaud them, for they have been our silent heroes behind these success stories. Graduating class, always cherish your parents' sacrifices, as they will always support you all throughout your endeavors. You may not feel their love and affection most of the time because they are very busy doing different stuffs, but definitely in silent means they will always be your number one fan, whatever achievements that you could achieve. As you step into the world beyond these halls, remember that the true measure of your success lies not just in the knowledge you have acquired from this institution or from your instructors, but in the values you embody and the difference you make. The core values of innovation, compassion, adaptability, responsibility, and excellence will be your guiding lights. Allow me to leave these 5 points. Innovation. Never be afraid to think outside the box. The world needs fresh ideas and creative solutions. Encourage a culture of innovation by being open to new ideas and fostering an environment where creativity can flourish. Your fresh perspectives and innovation solutions can provide a competitive edge and drive your business forward. Embrace challenges as opportunities to innovate and improve the lives of others. Second one is compassion. Business is not just about profits. It's about people and the environment. Lead with empathy and kindness. Understand the needs and dreams of those around you and strive to make a positive impact in their lives. Third is adaptability. The only constant in life is change. Be flexible and be resilient. Embrace new technologies, shift market demand, and evolving perspectives. Your ability to adapt will be the key to your success. Responsibility. Just like the saying that goes, with great power comes great responsibility. Uphold ethical standards and act with integrity. Make decisions that are not only beneficial to you, but also to the society and the environment. And finally, excellence. Strive for excellence in everything you do. Set high standards for yourself and persistently work towards achieving them. Excellence is not an act, but a habit. Above all, express your deepest gratitude to our loving Almighty, whose divine wisdom has guided you through every challenge and brought you for this moment of success. It is through His grace that we overcome obstacles and grow throughout this lifelong journey. As you embark on this exciting journey, carry these values with you. Let them shape your actions, influence your decisions, and define your legacy. Congratulations, class of 2024. The future is yours to create. This is Red Scorpio, your guest speaker.